this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Not prepared for Fabric Friday this week. In fact, it is only 9:45 Friday morning. So I think I did too much last week. Well, I know I did too much last week. Come on then. I know I did too much last week and I suffered for it. I basically had to, my joints and my back were all hurting, so I sat around and did absolutely nothing for 2 days solid, apart from play video games. Bored out my tiny mind. Couldn't even come in here, and so it was just so painful for me. I slowly got back into doing bits and bobs, and washing and that, and so, and then yesterday I did some hoovering because it felt a lot better, and I also started a new project, so I was standing up cutting out for several hours. My back is bad again because of that, so I'm not really moving around much. Plus I want to get this project done. As you can see behind me, and I've shown you before, this shape form, dressmaker's dummy, whatever you want to call it, is, oh, you're hurting, claws off. Yep, this dress form is too small for me. It used to be the right size, but I put on weight and it didn't fit me right. It wasn't the right size for me. I've tried padding it out and that, and to a certain extent that has helped. But I've got 2 outfits I've started, but I can't complete because basically I need to try them on and get them fitted to me. And if you try them on, you can't, you're altering how it would normally lay by turning around and pinning the sides or anything, so when you turn back again the fabric falls in the wrong place. So you need to put it on something else and fit it to that size, or get someone to actually pin it where it needs pinning, and which, although I love him, Lurch is no good at pinning anything. So he isn't really a help. So I looked into making a new dress form. I looked at the duct tape ones and I thought, if I put pins in it, because the glue on the duct tape is still there, it's going to be awkward and it's going to stick to the pins, so I don't want that. So I looked into a papier-mâché type one and I thought, possible. And then I thought, well, I found this other one, Bootstrap Fashions. Bootstrap Fashions. Yeah. Bootstrap Fashion. You pull into it your exact measurements, your waist, your bust, underbust, the whole lot. You put your measurements in, and then they send you a pattern that, if it's made up right, it is you. It has the same sort of shape as you have. So I thought, yes, I'll have a go at that. And so that's what all these bits are. I have cut out the main fabric, and which is upholstery fabric. Some that I got sent in a remnant pack. So it's only about 75p, but I haven't got enough of it, so I've got some more to put on the ends and the neck and that. I'm banging outside. and I've interfaced them, and now I'm going to start sewing it together. I'm going to take some footage of me making it, because I'm going to try, don't know if I'll succeed, but I'm going to try it slightly different. Rather than stuffing it completely, I'm actually going to fit it on my mannequin and stuff it out where it needs it, so it'll still be my shape, because this will be my shape, but the majority of it will be the stuffing, well, the polystyrene that's in the dress form that I've got. So that's my idea. Whether it works out or not, different thing. But that's my idea. And because I want to get this done and I'm in pain, I won't be moving around much, so I'm not doing a tutorial this week. Just a little chat. So, be seeing you next week when hopefully things are a bit better. Thank you. Bye.